My God, who are these people?
Thank you.
Welcome. So all crazy people at Vasai. I'm just going home from my office, you know. So what I've noticed is that my fairing is like about to break. Just look at this crack. It's all already broken. My God, look at this. I'm just wondering what will my charisma look like without the fairing. वापिस का खर्चा हो गया. Today it is not so sunny and all the potholes that were there some days ago are covered up. So it's somewhat better to ride on this road. Look at this triple seat. Luckily the rainy season is now finally over and it's so much easier to travel. So guys, I'll have to purchase some Aril Diet. So Aril Diet is a sort of gum, you know, so that can help me stick the Charisma's fairing. You know, I showed you some time ago my Charisma's fairing is a bit broken, so I'll be using Aril Diet. I'll show you exactly how it works. So I hope that you like the process and learn something from that. Guys, I have been using the Charisma and I have been using the Aviator. To tell you the truth, I feel that the Aviator is more comfortable bike. The Charisma doesn't have self-start as of now, so I find it much convenient to use the Aviator. I'll have to repair the self-start or the battery. The self-start is working fine, but the battery is very low in the Charisma. So I will have to check. I'll have to purchase Aril Diet from the shop. Let's purchase Aril Diet. So this is a strong gum, you know, it is the world's strongest gum. It is just like Fevikwik, but it takes a longer time to stick, but it is much more stronger than Fevikwik. So I'm going to use this to stick that broken bonnet. I purchased a medium size packet that is for about 40 rupees. So I purchased 2 packets to ensure that I have sufficient quantity to stick the fairing. There are two tubes in this. One is the gum and one is the hardener. So you have to mix them up properly and then use it to stick. Use a paper to mix the mixture. I've emptied both the mixtures in the paper, so I'm now going to mix it up. I'm taking a pen to mix it up, okay? You have to mix it to create an homogeneous mixture. The final mixture should look like. It should look like semi yellow color. Apply this mixture to the place where I want to stick. Finish applying a coat for gum. and maybe after a few hours I'm going to apply the second coat, but I'm not sure about the second coat. So just have a look, guys. So that was just one coat, so I hope that it gets stuck after some hours. I'm outside my office, I'm just enjoying my break. I like the sun in front of me. It's like really beautiful today. This is just another sunny day. I'm going to work as usual. So I'll see you during my break or maybe after work. Okay, so stay tuned, guys, for the video. Guys, there was a small bike. On the way, I got to see a Honda Navi, so I'll try to show some more images on this vlog. So, I don't know. For some reason, I just like this type of small bikes. You know, they are so nice and so cute. There's a chance to win an iPhone 7. Just look at this. It's elegant jet black. As you can see that the gum has dried up completely, but I made a mistake. So the mistake is that there was a gap. So in case you're sticking anything, make sure that it is stuck together properly and then you apply the paste. So just look at this. So here you see it is stuck properly, but here there is a very big gap. So just ensure that you don't make the same mistake. Yeah, but the gum is as strong as stone. The gum is as strong as stone. Just have a look how this is quite tough. So I'm quite happy that it got stuck and I have to not pay 15,000 rupees for a new fairing. Fairing costs about 15,000 rupees. So I don't think it is sensible because my bike is already very old. I don't want to invest any more money on my bike.
Hello.
Hi. Parrot.
Joel, keep your helmet that side now.
It is not good to keep birds where there's sunlight, you know, they get very tired in the sun and some of them even die. So in case you're owning a bird, don't keep them in the sun. So I thought of keeping him near the window, but here there is a lot of sun.